Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload required documents for Lendio loans. Submitting complete documentation is essential for loan approval. Here's how to upload documents in Lendio. First, log into your Lendio account on the website. Once you're in, navigate to the loan application section. Now just select the loan application that requires documents and then look for the upload documents or attach files button. Check the list of required documents, which may include bank statements, tax returns, business licenses, or financial statements. Go ahead and click upload and select the file from your computer or mobile device. Ensure that each file meets Lendio's format and size requirements. Usually the format is PDF, JPEG, or PNG. Confirm that each document is clear, legible, and current. Just repeat the process for all required documents, and once uploaded, just click Submit Documents to send them to Lendio for review. Keeping your documents organized and up to date speeds up the approval process and increases your chances of securing funding. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.